Hi friends, it's me, Kylie. Welcome to the Kylee Makes It studio. I'm so excited you're here. Today we're gonna learn how to draw some simple things together so that we can practice our drawing skills, our seeing skills, and our creative skills. There's not just one way to draw anything, but here's one way you could try. Let's draw. Today, I'm going to show you how to draw a basketball. One basketball from 3 different perspectives. Perspectives is just the different angle that you're looking at, whatever it is. For example, this is one basketball, but when I turn it this way, the lines look a lot different than when I turn it this way than when I turn it this way, don't they? Let's draw it. You could trace a circular object or just do it freehand. I'm going to start with this perspective, which is my personal favorite way to draw a basketball. We're going to draw a vertical line and a horizontal line first. We're going to find the middle point in each one of the sections that we made. And we're going to draw a slightly curved horizontal line in each. Ready? We're going to bend down toward that middle line. And the lowest point of our curve is going to be at that vertical line. But this time, we're going to bend up, and the highest point is going to be at the vertical line. Basketball numero uno. Next, we're going to draw our basketball from this perspective. Only horizontal lines. Find the middle, straight line. And then we're going to go up slightly from the line, maybe like that. And we're going to draw 2 more horizontal lines, but we're just going to bend them slightly. The one above, we're going to bend up a little bit. And the one below, we're going to bend down. Basketball numero dos. And now we're going to draw the basketball from a different perspective, kind of a random one. This one's a little tricky, but with practice, we can totally do it. Ready? Find your middle points again, right in the middle there. We're going to draw a vertical and horizontal line again, but this time we're going to bend all the lines a little bit. No straight lines here. When I draw my vertical line, I'm going to bend it just a little bit that way. And then when I draw my horizontal line, I'm going to bend it down a little bit. Now, we'll still mark the middle of each quadrant. We're going to bend our lines, but the highest and lowest points of them are still going to be this vertical line. Ready? We'll start here, bend, and now it's just going to go downhill. Same thing for this one. Bend. There we go. Basketball 1, basketball 2, basketball 3. This was so fun to learn about drawing basketballs with you. I hope that you practice it at home. If you want to draw more with me, just search for Kylee Makes It, Kylee. But the easiest way to do it is just to subscribe to this channel. We don't just draw, we make all sorts of things here in the studio. I can't wait for the next thing that you and I make together. See you next time.